Hey guys, welcome back to another. Okay, my cat's here, and you can see his ears peeking up. Yeah, that's him. He wants to be a part of this video, I guess. Can you give me a couple minutes? Can you give me a couple minutes? Yes? Yes? Okay. See, as soon as I'm filming, he wants to do something. Okay, so don't mind my strap light. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. How is everyone doing? Is everyone doing okay? So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. And what I mean by that is I'm going to do an art challenge and I'm going to be drawing for 8 hours. So I'm gonna be drawing for 8 hours, and now it's currently 9:58. I want to start at 10, finish at 5. So I have like a couple seconds to film this intro. So my camera is currently at 69. I'm sorry for the stripe lighting, maybe it's giving. I don't know what I'm saying. So today I'm going to be explaining to you. So there's a lot of art that I didn't get to finish. There's a lot of art that I want to finish and I don't have time for. So I'm taking like my vlogs and using them to finish my art so I can do two things at the same time. Currently, I think you can see the papers behind me. I am also going to be studying meanwhile I'm drawing and filming. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I think I can. So I'm gonna use my phone to, for reference, for pictures and stuff. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my sketches. So I'm gonna do my sketches first, and then I'm going to, and I think I'm going to use my iPad, of course, because it's the only way I'm gonna draw digitally. I'm gonna use my iPad, and I'm gonna use my art book because I think I want to do traditional art today. And let me take a sip because I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna need this. Okay, it's now 10 currently, so let's do a quick overview, quick explanation. So I don't want this video to be more than a half an hour. So I'm going to draw someone. I promised to draw them for months now. I am so sorry. I literally, like, school has been like beating me, but I did start it. I'm just not happy with it, so I'm gonna start fresh. I'm gonna start anew, and I'm going to do it again. I'm using Procreate. I think that's what I used first time. Yeah, it's Procreate that I used the first time, so I'm gonna start a whole different sketch. And also I'm going to I'm going to put my well, I'm gonna put it in the video, maybe last thing. So these side note, these Hirono figures that I ordered, I don't know what's in the box. The box is gonna be here Friday, so it's a blind box until you unbox it, because it's sold out on PopMart, so I can't unbox it on Amazon. So yeah, sad, very sad. So today we're going to, choose the perfect screen, choose the perfect color. So I'm going to set the camera up where you can see me drawing. Yeah, my cat's in the way. He's like right here. And we're going to draw together. Yay. So I'm glad you're watching. So there's sometimes I'm going to take a break, talk a bit, explain where I'm at. And I'm going to use my tripod. It's tiny, but that'll do. That'll do. So I'm gonna connect my camera to this, and we're just gonna start drawing like there's no tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know if I can make it for 8 hours drawing, because normally when I draw, it's 30 minutes and I'm done for the day. So it's not that I don't love art. I really love art. It's just that the patience, sometimes I don't have it. The time, I don't have it. Sometimes I do things better at night, but this is now, like, I got up from 8. I'm telling you, I got up from 8. So I'm gonna move my cat. Okay. So this is me. At what time is it? It's 1:28. I have until 5 p.m. But currently I'm barely anywhere. This is so good though, but I'm barely I'm barely anywhere. I finished the sketchings, but I'm barely anywhere, and I want to finish this today, and I have my Hirono arts to finish, and I did a new one today, so I'm gonna see if I could pick up the pace. And I just thought that I made a fruit bowl, but it's not good. I don't know. Yeah, I'm laughing because why? And I'm going to study meanwhile. So I know I have filmed some of this, but that's because I had to charge my camera because it was at 5. So yeah. How am I doing? I'm surviving. I'm surviving. Ah! I'm surviving. The art is coming out better than I expected. The last time, oof, I was so stressed the last time I did it because I wanted to be a perfectionist. So when I'm finished with the lips and the nose, I'll add the hair. I just leave that part out until I'm finished with the face, like finished. So I'll do the hair. That's when I'll start filming back, is when I'm doing the hair. So we'll see you then. Oh my god.